Unraveling the phrase, Iguana's territory, a guide to understanding and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, Iguana's territory. It might sound unusual at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning, but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. Let's embark on this linguistic adventure together. Iguana's territory might seem like a simple combination of words, but it's packed with meaning. At its core, this phrase refers to the specific area or environment an iguana occupies or controls. Iguanas, as reptiles, are territorial animals, and this concept of territory is crucial for their survival. However, when we borrow this phrase in English, it often takes on a metaphorical meaning, extending beyond the literal sense. Literal use. In its literal sense, Iguana's territory can be used to discuss wildlife, habitats, and discussions around animal behavior. It's straightforward and relates directly to the physical space an iguana defends and lives in. Metaphorical use. Metaphorically, this phrase can represent a person's personal space, area of control, or sphere of influence. It's about the territory a person feels ownership over, which could be a physical space, like an office, or an abstract concept, like a domain of knowledge. To help you grasp how to use Iguana's territory in conversation, let's look at a few examples. Literal. During our hike through the rainforest, we stumbled upon what seemed like an iguana's territory, marked by its aggressive display. Metaphorical. When it comes to organizing the annual family reunion, Aunt Maria is in her iguana's territory. No one else dares to take charge. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, enriching your English communication with vivid imagery. And there you have it. Iguana's territory is a unique phrase that can add depth and color to your conversations, whether you're discussing nature or human behavior. We hope this video has enlightened you on its meaning and uses. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore the territories of the English language. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video adventure.